Mandatory evacuations are expected to begin today. Keep in mind, less than 2 weeks since Hurricane Helene tore through Florida. The aftermath, it's still visible in neighborhoods, as you can see here. Furniture, mattresses, other household items are piled up along streets. Right now, crews are clearing as much debris as possible. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis says all assets and resources ready to go.
So I think a lot of people are heeding the advice that's being given. Nevertheless, we will have people that will be there ready to respond to rescues as need be.
Latest advisory with Milton this morning, 100-mile-per-hour wind, so now up to that Category 2 status. It has picked up a little bit of steam, moving east-southeast 8 miles per hour. As you can see here, this is the path of Helene. It took less than 2 weeks ago. This storm, though, expected to push further off to the east of Helene's track, still towards the Tampa area right now for an expected landfall from the National Hurricane Center. What it will be encountering is a little bit of some drier air, but either side of Tampa Bay could be preparing for potential 8 to 12 feet of storm surge.